Do you want to become an owner of the brokerage that you actually work at? This is something that is absolutely revolutionary to the real estate industry. And in today's video, we're going to be explaining to you guys the eXp stock award system and how you can actually become an owner, yes, an owner of the brokerage that you work at, which is something that is unheard of in the real estate industry. My name is 𝐭𝐫 𝐕𝐢𝐝, and I'm the co-founder of Agent Wealth Hustle, and I'm also an organization leader here at over 80 agents, and I'm joined here today by my business partner, Charlie Cameron, who is the founder of Agent Wealth Hustle, a team leader here at eXp, and also an organization leader of over 100 agents as well. And again, in today's video, we're going to be breaking down how you can actually earn stock as an eXp agent, what the stock awards are, and actually explaining to you guys what it is that you will be owning as an eXp shareholder here at the company as well. So this is just a brief overview of all the different ways that you can actually earn stock here at the company. We're going to be breaking down each one of these awards one by one by one. Again, you can see here, some of these are optional. Some of these are actually just thrust upon you, right? You receive this award whether you want it or not, and that is the good thing about that, because I have not ran across any agent here at eXp who has absolutely refused getting stock and ownership in the company. So Charlie, why don't you take us away and start explaining what are some of the easiest ways for agents to start earning stock here at the company?
Yeah, who doesn't love free money? So that's the very first, the top two blocks you see here. So there's transactional and annual stock awards. So every year you get $200 of the current value of EXPI stock for your first closing each year. So you have an anniversary year. It's from the date you join through a year. So every year, the first transaction of that year, you earn $200. Free money, right? And every time you cap at eXp each year, you earn an additional $400. So those are just free stock awards to help build out your wealth at eXp and help you build up an additional nest egg, if you will, an additional income stream. And then there's also the agent sponsorship stock award. So every time you sponsor an agent to eXp, which is free to you and free to them, when they close their first transaction, you also earn an additional $400 in EXPI stock. So those are three ways you just earn free stock at eXp. And so $600 is kind of the minimum if you're a capping agent at eXp. And then if you're sponsoring agents, the world's kind of your oyster in terms of how many agents you can sponsor that all go close their first transaction. So you can really earn quite a lot from that avenue as well. And then there's the optional enrollment program. So this is the agent equity commission program. And what happens here is if you decide to sign up, which is what I did upon joining eXp, you can voluntarily enroll to receive 5% of your commission to purchase stock at a 5% discount. So what does that mean? You know, our split is typically 80-20. Go watch our costs and splits video if you want more information on that. So if you enroll in this program, you're actually paying a 25% commission split to eXp with each transaction. But what's happening is 5% of that is going to buy EXPI stock at a 5% discount. So you're kind of getting a little bonus there. Yes, that's still your money. That 5% is still your money. It just goes into purchasing stock that you have immediate access to that. And then you get a discount. So you earn an extra 5%. You know, it's almost like you had a TSP and there was some government, or not government, but employer matching, right? So it's kind of like that. You're getting discount on those stock awards, which is pretty cool that eXp offers that at all, right? So here's a way to get free stocks on top of the free stocks we just talked about.
Right. And that's a really cool program because, I mean, think about it. You're getting like a boost in equity, right? You're getting a bump in equity instantaneously. So a lot of our investor-minded agents absolutely take advantage of that. They love the free equity. And also, I know a lot of agents who take advantage of that program as they're doing a lot of production, they're building up a nest egg as well. So the next part that we want to talk about here is our Icon Agent Award. This is an award which is pretty much the most prestigious award in the entire industry as far as the top producer award goes for real estate agents. And this is the award that I think a lot of agents think about when they think about getting stock here at the company. So if you're looking at this slide right now, yes, it absolutely says what you think it says. You can actually earn your $16,000 cap back in the form of EXPI stock. So eXp has an 80-20 split, a $16,000 cap. If you do enough production, you can actually earn your entire $16,000 cap back in the form of EXP stock. Again, unheard of in the industry before this program was launched. So how do you actually become an icon agent? How do you get a $16,000 stock award in the form of EXP stock? So option one is a two-step process. So really there's two different ways you can do this, right? I'm going to go over this one by one. Option one is a two-step process. Step one, you just have to become a capping agent first. So hit your cap, 16,000, done. Step two is you have to close an additional 20 transactions after capping within that 1 year period. And if you do that, then you will become an icon agent. So you can basically, if you're taking notes, write down capping plus 20 within a 12-month period, and you become an icon agent and be eligible to earn your $16,000 cap back in the form of EXP stock. Now, option two is for agents who might be in a super high price point market, or maybe they're working just a super luxury niche, right, where they're doing a lot of volume. So they're bringing in a lot of commissions in the form of volume, but maybe they're not doing as many transactions, right? Maybe you're only doing 20 transactions every year, maybe, 10 transactions that are in the multi-million-dollar price point. So you're bringing in a ton of volume, but you're not able to become a capping agent and then close an additional 20 transactions after that, right? Because you're just not doing that many deals, but they're really high volume, high value deals. So how do you become an icon agent at that point, right? So what you can do is you can close $500,000 in gross commission income. And then once you do that, you become an icon agent, if again, within a 1 year period. So if you close a $500,000 in gross commission income, again, at about 3% commission basis, that is just over $17 million in total amount of real estate sold, you become an icon agent and you are eligible to earn your $16,000 cap back in the form of EXP stock. And just to kind of cover a little bit about how that works is you will earn instantaneously about half of that once you become an icon agent and just reach your production requirements. But then afterwards, you're also going to have what's called our cultural requirements, which is basically requiring you to either become a mentor at EXP or teach a EXP icon agent class. And this is kind of the reason why a lot of our new agents love this company, is because all of our training are done by our icon agents and they're heavily incentivized to do so. So if you are an icon agent, you want to earn your full stock back, right? Your full cap back in the form of stock, you do have to actually teach some of our classes and become an icon agent coach, right? To coach some of our new agents in the eXp University system. And then also the next part of that is you have to attend one of our EXP conferences that we have throughout the year as well. And again, I promise you guys, it's not a waste of your money to attend our EXP conferences. They're high value, high impact. You're going to get a ton of great information, and you're also going to be able to network with some great agents as well. And, we can speak for ourselves, have a lot of fun as well. So really at eXp, there's about 3 types of agents who are benefiting from the Icon Agent Award. We're going to break these down one by one. So number one, obviously, is our Icon Agent. So if you're earning your $16,000 cap back in the form of stock, you're going to love this, right? So if you're an Icon Agent, you absolutely benefit from this because you're earning stock in the company, big stock positions, and they add up quickly over the years as well, if you can maintain that production status. Number 2 are our team leaders. So people who are in the broker owner or team leader mentality that actually want to attract agents through our revenue share model understand that the Icon Agent Award not only attracts top talent to the company, it actually motivates them, right? Maybe you're attracting agents who are just on the edge of becoming an Icon Agent with their production. This award is going to motivate them to become an Icon Agent. So it motivates agents to do more production, but it also retains your top talent as well. So it helps you attract agents, it helps you motivate them, and it also helps you retain them here at the company as well, because our stock awards do have vesting periods. So if you are a team leader, if you are taking advantage of the revenue share model, you do not really have to worry, right, if you're bringing on Icon agents here to the company, because they're going to want to stay for their stock to vest. And then every year they actually get the Icon status, they're earning new stock awards, and it's a new vesting period as well. So this actually helps you retain your top talent as well as attract them as well. And then number 3, we alluded to this a little bit earlier as well in our previous slide, where we talked about why new agents and agents looking for training and development love the Icon program as well, because our Icon agents are our eXp's trainers and coaches. They are the top 1% of the company, and they are the ones who are actually teaching our newer agents the exact skill sets and strategies that are helping these Icon agents become Icon agents. So literally they're going out there, hitting the production milestones, and then maybe the next day they're coming on to a class and they're teaching you exactly what they did the previous day. So again, very practical, actionable advice and coaching for our new agents. And they love this, and they love the icon training to help them get up and going and do more production as well.
So what does earning EXPI stocks actually mean, right? If you come this far, you're probably wondering, okay, cool, I get a bunch of stock awards. What does it mean? Well, when you earn stocks, EXPI, ticker symbol stocks, you're earning a part of all of eXp World Holdings. It's not just eXp Realty. It's not just eXp Commercial. It's not just eXp Global, which we're open in dozens of countries worldwide. You're earning a piece of the entire pie, including Virbela, which is the system we host eXp World on, but we also sell that to other companies for similar types of training platforms. 𝐎𝐭𝐡𝐞𝐫, which is Zillow for Canada, we've acquired recently. So we own that as well. The Success brand, which is a Jerick Robbins brand, we own that as well. So there's a whole bunch of sub companies. We have mortgage companies, we have home warranty companies, we have all sorts of sub companies within eXp. And so when you own that, you're owning a piece of all of it. And to make a parallel point, the importance of owning the brokerage you work in is you get shared growth, right? Everyone's aligned and incentivized to grow together, to grow the company, to succeed here. And a really cool piece about eXp that not a lot of people realize initially is that, the brokers and staff, the 2,000 plus members, as an owner of the company, they all work for you. It doesn't feel like a franchise brokerage where you work for the broker, must do exactly what they say. They're very different. At eXp, you're the owner and you're treated as the owner. And, you earn stocks on your first transaction. So you're an owner of this company from the get-go, and everyone treats you as such. All the brokers are salary, all the staff are salary. So they work for you and they support you in whatever way you need as much as you want, regardless of your production level, which is really kind of refreshing to come in and everyone's just asking, what do you need, Kobe? What do you need, Charlie? Right? Instead of, hey, Charlie, Kobe, go do XYZ. So really kind of a great atmosphere, and it does make it, Glassdoor's best places to work for, we're more than the better part of a decade running every single year. And this is a large part of that. It drives that whole value first piece and the agent equality here. So I think it's a really awesome thing to be a part of, and it's really awesome to continue to earn stock in the company that you work for.
Yeah, absolutely. You are an owner, right, of all of these companies. And just Virbela alone, just kind of give you guys an idea. Like, we've licensed Virbela to the US military, right? We've licensed Virbela to Stanford University, and also some of the big corporate companies, like big accounting firms that are out there as well. And these companies have really taken advantage of this ever since 2020 with the pandemic and shutting down, physical locations as well. So just Virbela alone is a powerful tool for company internal usage. Now, what I really want to talk about here before we kind of wrap up this video is our eXp company health, right? So Charlie, like you mentioned earlier, our company is traded under eXp World Holdings on the NASDAQ stock exchange. So if you guys want to take a look at our financials as a company as a whole, make sure to look at EXPI as the stock ticker symbol on the NASDAQ stock exchange. And you can actually find out what our financials are, get some of these numbers confirmed for you, what all of our companies that are subsidiaries of EXPI are as well. But if you're looking at some of these graphics here that we're showing you now, you can see that eXp is the single most profitable brokerage in history. And there's really no argument against that because of all the numbers that we've been coming out with in the past, I would really say 3-4 years, right? So eXp has always been profitable. And if you look here, right, at some of these graphics, you can see we are not only profitable, but we're more profitable then other companies are even unprofitable as well. So it's the difference here is night and day if you're looking at some of these charts, right? And these are all, some of these are independent studies that are done outside of eXp. Some of these are studies that eXp has done internally as well. So we can see right here, these are some of our numbers in 2022, right? Our revenue growth and also our year-end debt. So you can see eXp does not own any debt, right? So we do not owe private equity firms or big investors a lot of money. So we can actually operate debt-free as a company of our size. That is very, very rare and very important because, again, you are a stockholder here in the company. So this is something that you want to be aware of as well. You can see our operating cash flow here in 2024. We're second really only side by side to Zillow, which again, comparing us to Zillow, it's like comparing apples to oranges, right? Because Zillow is not really a brokerage. It's a tech platform that is just registered as a brokerage because of the way that they receive referrals from agents as well. So you can see here, we're pretty much just side by side with a tech company, which again, runs their business completely differently than a brokerage company does. So we're head and shoulders above some of the other publicly traded brokerages that are out there in terms of profitability and cash flow. And as a stock owner here in the company, that is absolutely important and crucial because you want your company that you own to do well. So with all that being said, we do want to point out that once you join eXp, the number one mistake that we've seen agents make is not choosing the right sponsor, because you can have access to all of these stock awards and opportunities to become an owner. But if you're not doing any production, if you're not bringing on any other agents to your revenue share organization, you're not going to earn any stock awards, right? So again, 100% of zero is going to be zero. So if you choose us as your sponsors, we're going to help you take full advantage of all of the stock awards here at eXp, making sure that you're either going out there crushing your production goals or going out there and building a team of agents through our revenue share model, regardless of your experience. And we're going to teach you the step-by-step strategies that has helped us do the same as well. So we're going to teach you how to attract clients, build a pipeline for your lead generation, create a six-figure business in real estate part-time, which is something Charlie has done personally. And he's going to be sharing his entire blueprint and how he did this. And again, how to build a team of real estate agents that can generate up to 7 figures a year in revenue. Again, our partners have done this, and they're sharing the exact step-by-step strategies that help them do that. And again, with this, you can actually go out there, take market share, or build a great team of agents as well and build up that residual income. And then on top of all of that, we do teach you guys how to invest in real estate, how to build a rental portfolio, how to go out there and leverage strategies like owning Airbnbs and multifamilies and running syndications and funds and mobile home parks as well. And we teach you guys all of that, again, 100% completely for free, as long as you are an agent with us in our sponsorship organization. So make sure that when you're going through the EXP application, if you are considering joining EXP, reach out directly to us, and you can learn a little bit more about what it's like to sponsor with us and how you can get access to all of these tools and resources above and beyond just what eXp gives to all of their agents. Again, 100% completely for free, no additional splits, no additional cost. So I encourage you guys to reach out directly to us on a one-on-one Zoom call. Again, the link is in the description down below, so make sure to go check that out. We look forward to seeing you and speaking with you directly and learning a little bit more about you and your goals, but also sharing with you what it's like to partner with us. Other than that, guys, appreciate you guys sticking with us at the end of this video, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.